You want to boost healthcare in rural India, right? Let's break down the most effective KPIs for measuring medication awareness. First up, reach and engagement. How many people are you actually connecting with? Track how many folks see and interact with your content. More eyes, more impact. Next, awareness level. Are people really getting the message? Surveys and quizzes can help you check if your campaign is hitting home. Third, health outcomes. This one's crucial. Look at how your efforts are changing health statistics. Improved health means your message is making waves. Fourth, accessibility and distribution. How easily can people get the medication? Check stock levels and distribution points to ensure meds are available when needed. Finally, community involvement. Are locals participating actively? Engaged communities spread the word better and adopt healthier practices. Using these KPIs will help you see your awareness campaign's effectiveness and where you can improve to make a bigger impact. So keep tracking, keep improving, and make a real difference in rural healthcare. Remember, a healthier community is a stronger community. Together, we can make it happen.